Telugu megastar Chiranjeevi sparks row. Megastar's patriarchal remark has not come down easily. He said he has asked Ram Charan for a grandson, as only a son can carry forward the legacy of his family. He says there are a lot of kids at his home, and home feels like a ladies' hostel. These are his words, and now several activists are fuming at this mindset that has been revealed. My colleague Uma is also joining me. Uma, take us through exactly in which context were these remarks made?
So this was at actor Brahmanandam's pre-release event that Chiranjeevi was the chief guest, and Anchor Suma appears to have shown him a photograph of Klinkara and one of his grandchildren, that is actually the daughter of Upasana and Ram Charan, and other granddaughters with him at his home. That video does not reveal what has been shown to him, and he has been asked for his comment, and that's when Chiranjeevi reacted, saying that at home there are so many of my granddaughters around that I feel like the warden of a ladies' hostel. It was a very light-hearted way in which he had in fact made that comment, and he went on to add that he had told Ram Charan to have a son next, and he's afraid that he could have a girl once again, and he ends the comment by saying lovely kids, but he also adds a sentence in between where he says that he wants Ram Charan to have a son, and that could carry the legacy forward, so that he could carry the legacy forward. What I must point out is that while this is a light-hearted remark coming from a megastar Chiranjeevi, it is certainly becoming controversial. I must point out that to the credit of Chiranjeevi, never in the past has been accused of being sexist. In fact, when there was certain sexist remarks made against actress Trisha by Mansoor Ali Khan in 2023 November, Chiranjeevi was one of those vocal supporters who said that it was very disgusting, the kind of remarks that had been made, and he had in fact said that that is something that he does not support at all. So while Chiranjeevi may have made this in a light-hearted context, the words are now being played out and has become viral. The video has gone viral, and yes, certainly has sparked a controversy about what is being seen as a sexist remark by the megastar. Back to you.